At the 31st Windor Facade Expo, held from March 11th to 13th, 2025, Jiahua Machine, a Chinese manufacturer with over 30 years of experience in door and window processing machine, proudly unveiled its latest innovation, the KEMM-S350 Smart 5-channel saw milling machining center. KEMM-S350 have high-efficiency processing, simultaneously processes 8 profiles with top, bottom, front, and rear drilling and milling, front and rear laser scribing, and arbitrary angle sawing. Increases individual aluminum profile processing capacity to 50 to 80 square meters, day 8 hours, a 3x improvement over traditional methods. Intelligent control. Full servo-controlled feeding system intelligently recognizes profile specifications, height, wall thickness, and adjusts processing parameters, feed speed, feed position. Supports scan-to-process, cloud data transmission, and seamless integration with major ERP systems. Jiahua Machine is committed to providing customers with smarter and more efficient aluminum window production lines. The launch of the KEMM-S350 Smart Aluminum Profile Machining Center marks a significant step forward in the field of intelligent door and window processing. We believe this machine will help numerous door and window enterprises significantly improve production efficiency, reduce production costs, and enhance market competitiveness.